Jipasheng Health Industry Co., Ltd. is a comprehensive company that integrates investment in the medical and health industry, research and development of medical devices, logistics management services for medical institutions, health food, health consulting services, health management services, and chronic disease conditioning services. The company collaborates with a team of experienced experts from the Shenzhen Center of the Chinese Academy of Sciences, a domestic life science research institution. Guided by the latest international diagnostic and treatment guidelines and based on the latest evidence-based medicine research results. Combining the integration of multiple disciplines and the development direction of new rotational magnetic technologies. Combine theory with practice to jointly explore the clinical application of new technologies and equipment for diabetes precise treatment. Effort to develop diabetes therapeutic apparatus. It has opened up new ideas and new perspectives for the precise treatment of refractory diabetes and promoted the diagnosis and treatment of diabetes to a new level. Nowadays, diabetes patients with a high incidence are everywhere growing. In 2019, the International Diabetes Alliance estimated that the number of people with diabetes worldwide was about 470 million, while the number of people diagnosed with diabetes in China was as high as 200 million. Diabetes has become a serious global public health event and medical problem. At present, the number of diabetes patients in China is growing at a high speed every year. How to effectively curb this development trend is an urgent problem before us. The fasting blood sugar value of normal people is between 3.9 and 6.1. If the fasting blood sugar value exceeds 6.2, it is also hypoglycemia, that is, diabetes. What should I do if I get diabetes? Most patients choose medication treatment, unaware that insulin and hypoglycemic drugs can only control hypoglycemia. Is there any other way to completely cure them? Injecting, taking medicine, and avoiding food are the pain points of life for diabetics. The development of diabetes generally has a 3-year incubation period, and the complications of diabetes in 10 years are as high as 98%. Is there any good way to prevent diabetes from happening? Can complications be prevented even if they occur? Yes, the HZT, a diabetes therapeutic instrument, which has won the National Scientific and Technological Achievements Evaluation Report, has come out. Introduction to the principle of HZT, a diabetes therapeutic apparatus. Scientists have developed the HZT, a diabetes therapeutic instrument based on the theory of tradition. AI Chinese medicine meridians, absorption electronics, physics, energetics, neuroscience and other disciplines, integrating multidisciplinary and cutting-edge technologies through research and innovation. It uses rotational magnetic technology to simulate the natural ecological magnetic field of the ear, and the biological magnetic field of a healthy human body. The simulated magnetic field directly acts on the meridians and acupoints of the human body. This life energy information system achieves the functions of stimulating the meridians, regulating the organs, and promoting metabolism. After a large number of clinical observations, HZT, a diabetes therapeutic apparatus, can repair islet cells, balance insulin and glucagon secretion, and the total effective rate is as high as 93%. At the 2019 National Science and Technology Achievements Evaluation meeting, experts fully affirmed and spoke highly of it. HZT, a diabetes treatment instrument, creating a new way of non-real medicine treatment of diabetes. Let's take a look at its working principle. In the mode of suspended magnetic radio frequency, the magnetic energy, vibration frequency and thermal energy are applied to the meridian points of the human body through the probes of instruments A, B, C and D, combined with the theory of traditional Chinese medicine. And the ABC probes interact with each other to form a magnetic field covering the human body. Its special 600 Hz magnetic suspension and maximum penetration depth of 17 cm radio frequency, blood vessels and viscera deposited toxins and waste metabolism out. The probe swirls the whole body's blood to decompose toxic waste into metabolizable particles, which are metabolized out through urine, sweat, and so on. The high-speed rotation of the suspended magnetic field drives the blood to flush the blocked part of the blood vessel to make it unobstructed. Through the centrifugal force of high-speed rotation, The glucose occupied in the glycated hemoglobin can be thrown out of the blood and re-enter the blood to participate in the metabolism of the human body, so that the glycated hemoglobin is deglycosylated into hemoglobin. Hemoglobin can take toxins and carbon dioxide out of cells and deliver oxygen and nutrients for cell metabolism, thereby improving the activity of visceral tissue cells and enhancing the ability of autoimmunity and self-repair. Simple summary of 10 words: instrument principle, suspension, magnetic RF instrument function, stripping, decomposition, metabolism, clear principle, and powerful effect. This is a major achievement in the field of human health science and technology in the 21st century, and it is a good news for hundreds of millions of diabetic patients. It is easy to operate and treat, easy to popularize, and will surely become a health guardian artifact for families to prevent diabetes and diabetic complications. HZT, a diabetes therapeutic instrument to escort the health of family members. Finally realize our great wish of a world without diabetes.